Today I will show you how to execute a Java application using VS Code. So first we will open the application. So I'm typing here search. It is Visual Studio Code. So already you can see it has been highlighted Visual Studio Code. Just click this, and this is the environment of the Visual Studio Code. And just go for file, then you click new file. Once you click this, it is asking what type of file you want to open. It could be a text file, Python file, Jupyter notebook, then new Java file. So just as type here Java. So here you're getting create new Java file. Then click this and give the file name. So I'm giving the file name as simple demo. Simple Java as a file name. And put the extension as .java. And put in double quotes better. If you don't put in double quotes, sometimes it might take as a text file. Then just choose the directory where you want to save. I'm trying to put in D drive. That's it. Now here, then start your program. So in Java, every class application is starting with the keyword called class. So I'm typing class followed by the class name. So I give the same as a file name, simple Java. The next line, can open the brackets, and here you can see automatically you're getting like public static void main. So I just go through that. Now here you need to understand what is public static void main and the string arguments. So public is one of the access modifier, and whenever you are giving the public as an access modifier, this particular main function can be accessed by other classes, or I can say it can be accessed globally. Then apart from this, we have protected and private. If you write private, we don't have access for this function outside the class, and if you write protected, only the subclasses can access this one. And we have a static keyword for the main method. Now in Java, the static methods can be called directly without the help of an object. Non-static methods, if you want to call, you need to call compulsorily with the object only. But since this particular main function need to be called with the help of without the help of the object, and it need to be called by the JVM, so we are prefixing it as static so that it can call directly. And here we have third one as void. Void means the main function will not return any value to the JVM. Then main is nothing but the predefined function name where the execution starts. For every application, the execution is starting from the main function. Now here we have a parameter called args that stands for the arguments, and that is an array type. Can you see the square brackets here? And the arguments is of what type? String type. So by default, whatever you take as a parameter at the runtime, that will be storing into the arguments array, and that is of string type. So I can say by default everything is a string format. So whenever you run your application, there you give some parameter values. Those values will be stored. So those parameters are called as command line arguments. So I can simply say that command line arguments are going to store into args array of string type. Even though you give numbers, even though you give characters, string, floating point, everything will be by default string. Later on you can convert. Now again the main function here, I'm trying to print simple statement like system dot out dot println. I want to write something like new to Java program close. Now here this is an output statement. System is a predefined class. Now this is available in a package called java.lang, L-A-N-G, language. And that is that's the only default package in Java. And we have an output object, OUT. That's an object of system class. And I can say it's an acting as an output stream object. And through that, I'm accessing a particular method called println. So we can write print if you want to get the output in the same line. You want to get the output in different lines if you have more than one print statement. We can write print line, print in a new line. That's the meaning. Now, whatever you put in double quotes will be printed as it is. So, since here only one line of output is there, if you write print also, there is no issue. If at all I want to go for one more, I can write system dot out dot println of Java is interested. I written two statements, and this one is closed here, and this one is closed here. So just save the application, that is mandatory, and you want to compile and run. So in this environment, we have a button here, run code. If you directly click this, both the things will be happening like compilation and execution, both. So now we'll start. Now here you can see the output new to Java programming, and Java is interesting. So output is in two different lines because we are given a print ln, print in a new line. And if you can see this, here we are compiling. Okay, Java says simple java.java, that's it for the compilation. And Java simple Java, that is for running. So both are the things which have been done at the same time by this operation run code. Okay, so this is how you can just see the output and execute the program in this VS Code environment. And you can see the output in the terminal also. If you have the option like run, here you can see the terminal. When you click this run option, right, you're getting into this. So here also you can see new to Java program, Java interesting, right? So here run code implies the other environment. Like here in the output statement, you're getting that. Again, you click for run Java. You have a separate terminal where you can execute also. So this way. So both the ways you can do. So this is a process of executing your Java application. So once you type your source code, when you're saving, you need to give a .java extension. Like C program, if you take .c is an extension for C plus .cpp. For Java, it is a .java extension. Thank you.